Introducing the ultimate tools for metalworking enthusiasts, the Beadsmith Anvil Collection. With their versatile design, anvils are a must-have addition to your workshop. Take full-time forging from the big time to your hobby workbench with our Horn Anvils, and pair with a Hexagonal Anvil for various tasks such as riveting, drilling, and staking small parts. Horn Anvils offer two distinct shapes for various tasks. The round horn is perfect for bending and shaping, while the top of the anvil allows for precise angles and corners, from flattening and smoothing metal to punching holes and drifting existing ones. Anvils are jacks of all trades. Their robust construction ensures stability during riveting operations, while the flat surface allows for creative texturing and assembly of metal components with precision. Maximize functionality in your workspace with our compact hexagonal design anvil, which facilitates efficient riveting and hole punching with ease. Use the various holes to create headpins or reshape jump rings. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned metalworker or a beginner, anvils deliver professional-grade performance for blacksmithing, jewelry making, and other metal fabrication endeavors.